Okay, hello everyone. I'm gonna continue off that blender that I did. So I'm gonna open it right now. We were on this last time. And N is for N. If you press N, remember? We're continuing from the last video, so let's continue. Actually, I don't recall. Yeah, so that should look cool. And then, why don't we? Because a donut has some dark parts on top. So, if we change here, X, if you press X, you can switch. So if we switch to the white one and turn it all to black, and then down here, change the, where is it? Oh yeah, change, no, here's it. Oh yeah, change the blend. Yes, the blend. Blend to overlay. And then look. And then, well, oh my god, that is so hot. I'll erase that. It looks like an apple. Yeah, it does look like an apple. You know what? That looks bad. Just go around. Do that. And go under and do some. Yeah, oh my gosh. And then wait, what? So if you press N for why do I keep on saying that? If you change this to white again. Oh, and change the overlay to mix. Although this might not be in the render, when we render it. How does that look? I know it looks a bit bad. So if we press X here, I noticed you can rub out. So, okay, let's see how that looks. I think that's about it. So, oh, thank God. Don't do what I just did. We didn't even save it. So if you do image save. Let's see how that looks.
Mom, look at this. Mom, look at this.
Wait. Yeah. I think that looks good. Actually, the spheres look like the. If we go to this and change the roughness,
It's 20.
maybe to here. Yeah, that looks alright. And if you can, try to make a plate under the donut. So, see you in the next video, and I might make a plate. Subscribe, like, and yeah. See me in the next video. Bye.